Hey y'all, it's Quisha Elise. Welcome to or back to my channel. I'm glad you clicked on this video for these fire red box braids. Before we jump in, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification. Alright, the first thing that we're gonna need is a rat tail comb and some shine and gem gel. That helps mix the cleanest parts. I went ahead and parted right down the middle and then added some growth lotion moisturizer to my hair just to make sure it's moisturized. Of course, you want to protect your hair underneath. And then I start making these small little triangle boxes. And then go ahead and add a rubber band and then braid my hair down about an inch or so. That just gives you something to hold on to when you add the braiding hair. And then the parts, I try to start from where the other triangle ends, if that makes sense, and then draw a line from there. So basically connecting all the triangles together. I did the boxes in the back a little bit bigger, but I did them a little bit smaller in the front to give it a more neater look. But you can generally make them whatever size. It depends on what size you want your actual boxes and braids to be. But I like these triangle parts. They're different. They're cute. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. And then while I'm doing these parts, I'm in my bathroom, of course. So I have the mirror in the bathroom, and also on the door, I have a hanging mirror. So that definitely helps me with parting, especially in the back of my head. But here, so y'all can see the triangle parts on the first half. And then the hair I'm using is this Braid Babe pre-stretch hair. I got it in orange and red, so I can go and create this fire look. I take about an inch thick here, and then I split it in two, as you can see here. And then just watch here. So I take those two and then loop them across each other. So you have this little knot in the middle. Hope y'all can see that. And then just go and connect that to your real hair. And then now they'll give you three pieces. And then you just kind of braid it all together and then tucking your real hair as you go down. I did go and add some more gel as I'm going down just to make sure everything's all neat and my hair is all completely matching and blending in together. And then just continue to braid all the way down, depending on how long you want that braid to be. And then just making sure as well to go and try to cover up that rubber band. And then y'all can see here with the red and the orange blending together, how it's coming together. I would basically do like one layer red and then the next layer orange. But you can generally do all red, all orange, depending on how you want your style to be. And then again, I'm showing y'all how I created that loop with the braiding hair. So that'll give you two pieces to work with. And then you'll just use your actual hair as the third piece as you're braiding down. I try to make sure I, as I said, braid it down like an inch, inch and a half before you start adding the braiding hair, and then making sure that rubber band is completely covered up, and then braiding all the way down using your hair as the third piece of the hair. And then just gradually as you're going down, as I said, I do add a little bit gel to my fingertips to make sure my hair is all blended in there. With any braiding hair, it tends to tangle a little bit, but you just gotta be careful when you're braiding down to not try to snag it. But it really did come out nice with this hair. All right, so now I'm gonna just have y'all watch for a little bit. I'll just be quiet so y'all can see, and then I'll come back once I get to the other side. I do want to give y'all another quick tip before I get to the other side. For my reel here, I do put a little bit of Murray's Edge wax on it to make it a little bit easier to grip and braid while I'm going down. Okay, so this is the last one on this side. But so far, I'm liking it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so now I'm doing this last side here in the front. So I'm going to slow it down a little bit so y'all can see how I did the parting with the triangles. So you just start with the triangle shape. And then let's say for the next boxes, I try to just follow the line. Might take a little getting used to or a couple tries, but also using some gel on the parts. It will give you a little bit neater, cleaner parts. Doesn't have to be perfect. But yeah, these are some cute triangle parts. To make this look, the fire red, I believe I used 1 or 1.5 packs of each color. So that's I said 1.5 packs of red and also an orange. And I did layer it, basically 1 layer red and then the next layer orange to try to give it that look. But I'll go ahead and speed this up a little bit for y'all so y'all can see the finalized look. And then I'll give y'all one more look on how I split up that braiding here to make it a little bit easier to attach it to your real hair. So as I said, just take that braiding here about an inch thick or so, and then split it in two to make this loop. And that's what you're going to use to attach it to your real hair, and then just braid all the way down. And y'all, that is it for this video. I appreciate y'all watching and tuning in. If you like this hairstyle, let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I post another video.